Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by choosing 3 target brands that fit your audience and values. You want relevance over quantity. Once chosen, gather concrete metrics, reach, engagement rate, demo, so you can show impact. Make a 1-page pitch with 3 deliverables and clear timelines. Explain how their goals improve. When ready, send a concise outreach email within 48 hours and attach the summary. This first step moves you from planning to action and sets expectations for the rest. Once the pitch is sent, customize follow-ups based on the brand's recent work and campaign language. That shows you researched them. You should offer 2 concrete packages, 1 fixed fee and 1 performance-based split, so they can choose risk versus reward. When you don't get a reply, follow up twice, each time adding new value or a creative angle. During negotiation, confirm KPIs, timelines, and legal needs. Make sure to document changes so both sides have clarity and confidence. You close deals by sending a simple contract that lists scope, timeline, payment schedule, and usage rights. Get signatures before work starts. Deliver by milestones, share progress updates, and send a clear final report with metrics so they see value. If the campaign stalls or results lag, ask for feedback, propose a short pilot or revision, and offer a performance-based tweak. This troubleshooting step keeps relationships salvageable and often turns a shaky start into a long-term collaboration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.